OPPO Find X8 Ultra has just been leaked in real images and it looks spectacular. This phone has not yet been officially launched, but it is already causing a very good sensation with some previews, even from the executives themselves. For example, Zhou Yibao, product manager at OPPO, has confirmed in a post on Weibo that this model will offer a top-notch night photography experience thanks to improvements in its sensors and software. The leaked photos, shared by users on Weibo and later taken up on other websites, show a rather curious design, because this rear circular mega module is something that many Chinese manufacturers are using. Not simply for taste, but because there is no other way to accommodate such large sensors with such large lenses in such a small cell phone. In fact, this is probably one of the reasons why Samsung is still not using such advanced cameras as other Chinese rivals, because it prefers to keep a minimalist design. In the case of the Chinese, they are all betting on this in their top models, and it is this causes the models look very similar to each other, with many rear circular mega modules. So with this leaked photo, OPPO gives us to understand that it is looking for some originality, keeping visible only a circle that could be the periscope camera and at the bottom, in a slightly more hidden way, the rest of the cameras. But it strikes me that this block at the bottom does not have a completely straight line, but seems to have a certain curve that in a way also reminds me of some charging animations where a circuit is filling upwards with certain waves. Personally, it is a design that I like, but let me know your opinion in the comments. But remember that filtration is not presentation, but in this case we do not even have specifications. Complete. Still, the OPPO executive assures that this Find X8 Ultra will outperform other high-end devices in low-light captures. They are probably going to use a large main sensor like the 1-inch Sony Lightyear 900 that Digital Chat Station has mentioned on Weibo, combined with advanced algorithms to capture more light and reduce noise, maintain vivid colors, many more things that OPPO has developed. In fact, OPPO already has a solid track record with its Find X series, such as the X7 Ultra, which used a 1-inch sensor and periscope lenses for sharp night shots. And the best thing is that these photos are without that graininess that we might see on some other devices. We don't have any exact launch date for this device, but since we see this official teaser from the OPPO executive and this leaked photo, we could say that it should be unveiled very soon. What do you say? Do you think the OPPO Find X8 Ultra is going to be the best photographic device in this 2025?